Doesn't matter how good a tool is if you can't get to it because of a bad sheath. That's why we made this for the Silky Pocketboy. The Silky Pocketboy is really one of my favorite tools. It's part of my holy trinity of knife, saw, and survival kit anytime I go in the woods. But the sheath that comes with this tool is, well, it's worthless. It's a plastic sort of container that might be good for mixing drinks or carrying around a small goldfish, but as a sheath, it's just a no-go. So we collaborated with Mark Moss at Moss Custom Leather, as we've done in the past, to create this beautiful, beautiful sheath. Mark just does the very best work that you can. He uses the same leather that Filson does, copper rivets, veg tan leather, incredible stitching, and instead of using buckles or lids or things like that for retention, he form fits the sheath exactly to fit the saw. So you get retention without needing any of that extra hassle of getting the tool in and out, because as you know, if you have a knife or a saw or something that has a cumbersome sheath, you'll end up setting it down on the ground and then it's gone. So if you're interested in picking up one of these sheaths or any of our other products, including my book, please visit us at bushcraftnorthwest.com.